see some adoption in the last couple of years. I think the digital journey, we are still in the early days. So there is by sure a lot of development coming in the next few years across many industries. It's a fact that there is certain industries where the digital penetration is high, but there is plenty of others, like in the car industry, and many others, where the digitalization is still very low. And I think that it will arrive. So what my advice is that, if you want to start on the digital area of, please do it, because I think you have a bright future ahead. Don't think that everything has been done. There is, I think that we are in the early stages. We are already seeing a lot of, startups very new for the last 2 years, for the last 3 years, fast deliveries, instant deliveries. So there is a lot of companies still. So someone might think, everything is done, but I don't believe so. I believe everything needs to be done. There is still some things. So there is a base, a pillar but this pillar will only get bigger and bigger and bigger. So I will definitely encourage the young generations to really embrace digital, because there is still a lot of things to come.